Oh, let us say good day to you this day of your time. How are you all? All right. We thank you once again for the co-creation of the interaction and the allowance of this transmission this day of your time. We will begin this transmission with a reminder of its title, Eclipse. Now, you have recently in your area of the United States had an eclipse. But first and foremost, we remind you that it is also the label of one of the artificially intelligent spheres that orbits our world, along with Epsilon and Epiphany. These create a kind of a balancing act, immersing us in a type of threefold triad energy that allows us to exist in an amplified state of synchronism and balance and awareness. The idea is that these energies are also available to you, but the idea here, this day of your time in this transmission, is to also have a little fun with the symbolism of the eclipse that has recently happened for you, with respect and in connection to things that are reflective of the change that we said would occur in your fall of 2016. We think most of you have been having some interesting perspectives on all of that.
So I am able to manifest. I visualize and I make a lot of things
Of course you are. You're always manifesting something, even if it's what you don't prefer.
Right. So I do a lot of visualizations, but which means that I'm constantly in the future, thinking of what.
No. This is the way you use visualization, as we have said before. You can have a symbol that represents the ideal outcome. Looking at the symbol and all the things in it that you have arranged as a picture, a visualization of that so-called ideal outcome, is for the purpose of getting you into the excited state that you feel when you look at that visualization. But as soon as you're in the excited state, you have to completely, utterly drop the picture and just be open to what higher mind will match to the vibration of your excitement. And no matter how it looks and what it is, you have to know that that is the next thing that absolutely serves you best. You have to let go of the visualization utterly. Because you see, what you're not getting yet is that that visualization that your physical mind is capable of conjuring is extremely limited. Your higher mind could actually bring you something many times greater than your physical mind is capable of imagining. So when you think that the visualization is the ultimate outcome, it's actually not in most cases. So when you understand that by holding on to that image and having that to be the outcome is actually limiting what could be happening, you will finally drop it very rapidly and let your higher mind actually bring you what could be experienced as many times better than what your physical mind was capable of imagining. Because as we have said, what to the physical mind may seem to be the ceiling, to the higher mind is just the floor, and it goes up from there. Let it work with you. Don't shut your higher mind out by having a physical mind that insists it knows what's best. You know nothing of the sort. You know nothing of the sort of what would actually be best for you. You actually don't know. And that's the beginning of wisdom and self-empowerment. To know that you don't really know what really needs to happen to serve you best. You can have symbols of it, and you can get yourself in the proper state to receive it, but that's all you need to do. You don't need to control anything else. Surrender is not giving up control. Surrender is allowing the control you already have to be expressed in a natural and automatic way.
Feeling disconnected from the everyday? It's time to wear your truth. Remember, the universe is a mirror. Reflect the energy you want to receive.
Because circumstances don't matter. Only your state of being matters.
Get ready! 2027 is the year everything changes. Are you Ascension ready?
Reality is your fashion. Express your cosmic self. Shop the Interdimensional Showroom now.